Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm fusing tender minced beef with vegetables and pasta, elevated by a blend of my favorite spices. To make this delicious pasta dish, find the ingredients in the description and follow these easy steps. I heat some oil and add the onions. Once they start browning, I add the tomatoes followed by the minced beef. I stir while breaking apart the mince. It's getting stuck to the pot, so I add a little water, continue stirring and add black pepper. Feel free to adjust the amount according to your liking. I add the spices, seasoning and tomato paste. All these are as shown on screen and the detailed list is in the description box below. I mix to combine, add half a cup of water and cook it for 10 minutes. While this is going, I cook the pasta. Feel free to cook this as per packet instructions or according to your liking. I boil mine with a tablespoon each of salt and oil. I'm using 1.5 packets of spiral shaped pasta, but you can use any shape of your choice. I now add salt, peas, capsicum, cumin powder and garlic paste. The minced beef and vegetable sauce is ready. I discard the cinnamon stick and combine the mince and pasta. Once well combined, our meal is ready to serve and the kitchen smells amazing. It can be eaten as it is or topped with cheese. Either way, it's delicious and my kids enjoy it so much. If you tried this recipe, share your thoughts in the comments section below. If this is the kind of content you're interested in, consider subscribing to my channel. Kindly like, comment and share, and see you all in my next video.